In this problem, we want to find the critical value, z sub alpha over 2, that corresponds to the given confidence level, which is 81%. So in this case, since the confidence level is 81%, that means that we're going to block off the center 81%. And we are looking for what is this z-score right here. So for the moment, I'm going to call this z sub alpha over 2. But we would need to know what is this value here for alpha, and then what is half of that. So 81% is the area in the center. Alpha is 100% minus that center 81%. So in this particular problem, alpha is 19%. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half of that, because we have two tails. So alpha would be the total of this tail plus this tail. But we want to know what is half of that. And so that's what we're going to put here for the alpha over 2. So I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to say that alpha over 2 is half of 19%. I'm going to change to a decimal here. And that's 0.095. So that means that we have 9.5% of the area in this upper right-hand tail. So now we'll get our critical value here by using inverse norm. And because we have 9.5% in the right-hand tail, what I'm going to do is take 1 minus that, because I want to know what is the area to the left, because that's what the calculator works off of, is what is the area on the left. So all I have to do is say 1 minus 0.095. I don't really need to know what percentage that is. And then I put in the mean and standard deviation. So you can calculate that if you would like to, and you're going to get 0.905 for that. But we're mainly concerned with what is that critical value there. So once I calculate that, I get 1.31. And so that is my answer, because it said to round to 2 decimal places. So that's the value there. This value would be a negative 1.31, but because we're going to use this z sub alpha over 2 in order to get the sample size needed to estimate the population, or the proportion, population proportion, then I really only care about the positive value. So that's how you do that problem.